First impression, UOPN.
Hey guys, this is exactly where I am off New Smyrna Beach, Bethune Beach. Look at that. It was a black beach, and it was named after this young lady right here. Just stop and pause and see the history. You can. I'm not gonna read it to you. Yeah, as you see, it's free parking over here. See, free parking. Free parking. Got a couple of areas where you can cook, and it's straight beachfront. If you go on the other side of the beach, the New Smyrna side, or the downtown New Smyrna, you're gonna pay for parking. I think it's like 20 bucks. But down here is peaceful. There's no one out here. Beautiful scenery, and this is where I go to enjoy my Saturday mornings. And they have restrooms, clean restrooms too. So they take really good care of this park. Really good care of this park.
Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up.
All right, just inside the bed. This is the bed's bathroom. Very clean. There's no smell of urine or anything. Very clean. Look at the floor. Very clean. They take very good care of this place. That is why I come. Very good care of this place.
Open up, tell you out for a puck ball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up.
They got the popo out here. They even got the popo out here. So yeah, safe beach. Don't come out here messing around.
Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. UOPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open.
I don't know if I'm violating the rule or what. But don't you hate when the public be all up on your private beach? Very nice.
Going up and smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.